Hey guys, I am your host for today, and today I'm going to show you how to download free music from your Spotify application using an application called All2 MP3, and you can download it for free on your Google Chrome. So let's start this episode right now. So first things first is go and download, or you open your browser and search all2mp3.org right here, or I'll just going to leave the link in the description box below. So once you've opened this website, you can now click download for Windows, or you can choose other platforms right here. You can choose Mac OS, Windows OS, and Linux. Then after that, click download on whatever OS you're running in. So I've already downloaded the installer, so I don't need to download it anymore. So once you have finished downloading, you can run the installer and install it. Basically, after that, it's just a basic installment. It will not cause any problems to your PC. It does not have any virus. So let's start this episode right now. So go to your Spotify and search for your music of choice. So I'm going to choose Ikson. So let's search it right now. There we go. Here is the choices for it. You can choose whatever you want. So I'm just going to choose Blue Sky. You're going to click on Blue Sky, right click on Blue Sky, click share, and click copy song link. After that, open the application All2 MP3 and just paste the link you copied and press enter to download. So once this window shows up, you are now downloading the music. So once, I'm just going to skip this part for you guys. So once the music is finally installed, I'm going to show you guys where it is located and how to use it. So now that you have downloaded the music Blue Sky by Ikson, you can now open the music file. So how are you going to open it? So let's go in my computer, click it right here, and then go to your music page right here, click it right here, and then you can find the music that you've downloaded using the application called all2mp3.org, and then you can play it from here. And guys, if this episode helped you a lot, I really appreciate that. I know you guys would love for more episodes like this, but if you want to find more episodes like this, go and subscribe to our channel Blue Stars Entertainment. Subscribe now and click the bell notification icon right now so you can get notified every time we upload amazing how-to videos, like how to unlock Visco X for free, and how to unlock premium features from Lightroom. You can go ahead and check those episodes right now. And guys, if this episode helped you a lot, you can leave a like down below, share this to your friends and family, and then I will see you next episode, guys.